Bananas are one of nature's perfect foods. Portable, perfectly sized for snacking, and full of powerful vitamins and minerals necessary for good health, bananas are a kitchen staple. You can eat them by themselves, cut them up over a bowl of cereal, or blend them into a nutritious smoothie. However you consume them, bananas have a lot to offer. 1. Protect your vision. Bananas have a healthy dose of vitamin A, which is an important vitamin for eye health. Vitamin A helps protect your sight in a number of ways. First, it can strengthen the membrane of the eye. Second, it can help guard against macular degeneration, which is a condition where the eyesight becomes gradually more blurry. 2. Regulate your blood sugar. One of the less beneficial parts of bananas is their high natural sugar content. A banana is up to 15% sugar in 3 different versions: sucrose, glucose, and fructose. While these natural sugars are better for you than processed sugar, they can have an effect on your blood sugar. If you are diabetic, you may want to keep bananas off the diet, but for a sweet snack to keep you away from junk food, bananas are a great alternative. 3. Blood pressure. The high content of potassium in bananas has a great side effect in that it helps the body flush out sodium. High sodium is a main culprit for blood pressure issues, which is why you have to regulate your salt intake if you have this condition. So, bananas can help maintain or even improve good blood pressure just by being a tasty snack. 4. Help your heart. Potassium is probably the most important element in bananas because it's just so vital for good health. Your heart can benefit from all the good potassium can do when you have bananas in your diet. Not only has potassium been shown to decrease the risk of heart attack by almost 25%, but potassium also helps prevent the hardening of the arteries. 5. Help you lose weight. Finally, the humble banana may be a great aid in weight loss. Even though it is high in natural sugar, it is also rich in starch, which gives you a fuller feeling that lasts longer. Bananas help you satisfy your sweet tooth without the higher calorie count of a more traditional dessert, all while giving you the benefit of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.